All right, everyone. This is the 6th December. Time is coming closer and closer and closer when the volume starts to die down, but we're going to see what happens once we get to that point. Now, looking at the daily is still consolidating. We have a big day today. We have NFP today. So I think this range on the daily time frame will and should be broken with NFP. I mean, if you look at anything above 2658, you have like a 600 pip range, which this isn't going to be done on NFP, you know? Same range below 2611, you got like a 500 pip range for price to move down. Not going to happen on NFP. Who knows? We'll see. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 4-hour time frame. So now we're not going to do analysis based on NFP in mind because NFP is still around, I'd say like 10 hours away, 9-10 hours away. Let's take a look at this over here. Non-farm payroll. Non-farm payrolls, 10 hours, almost 10 hours away. Also, we still got a lot of time. So let's do this analysis based on pre-London. Now, we got support on the 4-hour. We also have resistance on the 4-hour, which is very, very clear right here. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame now. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, wow, it looks like gold rejected this area on the 1-hour. We're moving up. This candle is still open on the 1-hour. Wow, I wonder what this was all about. We moved 100 pips down on the 1-hour, and then we moved 80 pips up, and then now we're moving 100 pips up again. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. All right, let's take a look at news. There's nothing that I can see here that did this. Maybe later on we're going to see. But let's take a look at this over here. So now, on the 30-minute time frame, obviously we had a resistance that we're breaking. At the same time, we have this resistance here as well. So we don't know how price will react to this area. Now, so far the 30-minute candles have moved bullish. I'd say the better idea would be to kind of like, wait for some sort of a retracement. If we can create support, then I guess we can retest this high, right? Create support, retest this high. If we create support and we break support, then we can continue pushing down. This is from the how to trade the counter trend scenario. So we'll have to wait at this point. Anytime you see a move happen that, like let's say for example this one, this is a 200 pip move over here. Anytime you have like a big move happen, just tell yourself you've missed the move and you're just gonna wait, right? Ideally, if you're coming up towards 2640, looking at this area over here, 2640, if we can break and close about 2640, you're looking at like 80, 81, 79 pip range for price to move up to 2649. Here to the left hand side, you can see there's a resistance. So at this point, we just have to wait for some sort of market structure, and then we'll see what sort of volume comes in. Let's take a look at pound yen, 4-hour time frame. Let's start with the daily. Let's remove this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, awesome. So the daily candle made a low. We're retracing at this point. Let's take a look on the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, we have a support. We also have a resistance forming on the 4-hour time frame. Below the support on the 4-hour, we have a bigger support. Awesome, right over here. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame now. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can adjust the support more, and looks like we are coming up to another support around 190,900. So that's going to be an area where I think it's going to be very important to wait to see how price reacts to this level. If we create support, then I want to say we can continue to push back up. I mean, how big is this range? It's like a 47, 48 pip range. There's probably some sort of a minor resistance here on the 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so there is a minor resistance on the 15-minute time frame, and then you got the major resistance here, which is on the 30-minute time frame. So I would say maybe, if there's volume in the push up, I think that volume can kind of break above this minor resistance and continue pushing price up. Probably. At the same time, if we can break and close below 190,900, I think we have like a 20, 24, 25 to like a 30 pip range for price to push down. But we'll have to see how we react to this level, So what we mean by is how price reacts to this level is to literally wait to see how we react to this support, what sort of a structure we form on this support. Same idea goes for gold as well, as it's pushing higher. We'll have to wait to see what sort of a structure do we form around 2640. Let's see how things play out. We're probably going to do a stream for NFP, obviously, and we'll see you then. Take care.